Scientists have found that after the age of 70, muscle loss can accelerate to as much as 15% per decade. That means by the time you're 80, you could lose nearly 1/3 of the strength you had at 60 if you don't take action. Why is this dangerous? Because muscle isn't just for looking fit, it's your body's engine of independence. Muscles help you stand, walk, lift, and even breathe. Losing too much muscle increases the risk of falls, fractures, loss of mobility, and, in severe cases, losing the ability to live on your own. Studies show that seniors who make changes, even in their late 70s or 80s, can gain muscle back. That's right, muscle loss is not a one-way street. With the right diet, especially high-quality proteins, and safe, consistent movement, you can rebuild strength and energy. Before we dive into the 5 powerful proteins that work even better than eggs for supporting your muscles, I want to ask you something. Have you noticed changes in your strength this past year? If so, how has it affected your daily life? Tell me in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to take action today. Protein number 1. Wild-caught salmon. If there's one food that could be called the ocean's gift to aging muscles, it's wild-caught salmon. This fish isn't just delicious, it's a muscle-healing powerhouse packed with nutrients that go far beyond basic protein. You've probably heard people talk about salmon for heart health, but what many don't realize is that salmon has a unique ability to protect and rebuild muscles, especially after the age of 70. And here's the surprising part. In some ways, it can work better than eggs when it comes to slowing or even reversing sarcopenia. Let's break down why. First, salmon is rich in high-quality, complete protein. That means it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair and grow muscle. One of these amino acids, leucine, plays a starring role in turning on your body's muscle-building switch. While eggs have leucine, salmon has the added advantage of being easier to digest for many seniors, which means your body can actually absorb and use more of that precious protein. But salmon's real secret weapon is its omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These healthy fats aren't just good for your brain and heart, they also have a remarkable anti-inflammatory effect. Think of inflammation like a slow-burning fire inside your muscles. Over time, this hidden danger can make it harder for your body to repair tissue and build strength. Omega-3s help calm that fire, creating the perfect environment for muscle growth. In fact, research has shown that seniors who eat omega-3-rich foods like salmon can increase muscle strength by up to 20% when combined with light resistance exercise. That's not just theory, that's a real, measurable improvement in daily life. Imagine going from struggling to open a jar to twisting the lid off with ease, or climbing stairs without that heavy, burning feeling in your legs. Now, there's another important reason I recommend wild-caught salmon over farmed salmon. Wild-caught salmon generally has higher omega-3 content, fewer contaminants, and a more natural nutrient profile. Farmed salmon often contains lower levels of these healthy fats and can have traces of unwanted chemicals. Yes, wild-caught can be more expensive, but you don't need to eat a huge portion every day to benefit. Even 2 servings a week can make a difference for your muscles and overall health. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you tried wild-caught salmon before, and if so, what's your favorite way to prepare it? Share your recipe ideas in the comments. You might inspire someone else to try it for the first time. In the next chapter, we'll move from the sea to the land and explore a creamy, tangy, and surprisingly powerful protein that can keep your muscles nourished all night long. Protein number 2. Greek yogurt. Imagine a simple, creamy snack that does more than just satisfy your taste buds. It quietly works behind the scenes to nourish your muscles, improve digestion, and boost your energy, especially after 70. That's exactly what full-fat, grass-fed Greek yogurt offers. Greek yogurt is like a secret weapon in your fight against sarcopenia, the silent muscle thief that steals strength with every passing year. But why is this tangy delight so special? Let's dive in. First off, Greek yogurt is packed with high-quality protein, even more concentrated than regular yogurt. Thanks to the straining process, it's thicker and richer, with roughly twice the protein content per serving. This protein is loaded with essential amino acids, the building blocks your body needs to repair and build muscle. One of the key proteins in Greek yogurt is called casein. Casein is special because it digests slowly, releasing amino acids steadily over several hours, almost like a slow drip feeding your muscles through the night. This is crucial for seniors because muscle repair often happens while you're resting. Having a slow-release protein source before bedtime can help your body recover and rebuild stronger muscles, so you wake up feeling more energized and steady on your feet. But Greek yogurt does more than just fuel muscles. It's also a fantastic source of probiotics, the friendly bacteria that live in your gut. You might not realize it, but your gut health plays a huge role in how well you absorb nutrients, including protein and vitamins vital for muscle maintenance. A healthy gut means your body can better extract all the goodness from your food and use it where it's needed most. Now, a quick word on full-fat, grass-fed varieties. You might be used to low-fat or fat-free yogurts, but full-fat versions actually contain more nutrients that help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D and K2, both essential for muscle and bone health. Grass-fed dairy comes from cows that graze naturally, resulting in yogurt richer in omega-3 fats and antioxidants compared to conventional brands. Here's a fun question for you. What's your favorite way to enjoy Greek yogurt? Do you prefer it savory with herbs or sweet with fruit? Drop your recipe ideas in the comments below. You never know who you might inspire. In the grand battle against Sarcopenia, Greek yogurt is your nighttime guardian, quietly delivering a steady stream of muscle-repairing protein and nurturing your gut for overall strength. Next, we'll explore a plant-based protein powerhouse that's affordable, fiber-rich, and perfect for anyone wanting to boost their muscle health without relying solely on animal products. Stay tuned. Protein number 3. Lentils. When we think of powerful proteins, meat or dairy often come to mind. But what if I told you there's a hidden gem in the plant world that can protect your muscles just as well, sometimes even better, and comes packed with fiber, vitamins, and minerals? That gem is none other than lentils. Lentils might seem simple, but they're a nutritional powerhouse for anyone over 70 battling the hidden danger of sarcopenia. These little legumes are rich in plant-based protein, providing all the essential amino acids you need to maintain and rebuild muscle. Yes, even from plants. One of the reasons lentils are so valuable is their fiber content. Fiber isn't just for digestion, it plays a crucial role in supporting your gut health, helping your body absorb and utilize protein and other nutrients more effectively. A healthy gut means stronger muscles. It's a connection many don't realize, but one that's incredibly important as we age. Lentils are also a great source of iron and magnesium, two minerals that seniors often lack but desperately need for energy production and muscle function. Low iron can leave you feeling weak and fatigued, making it even harder to stay active and fight muscle loss. Magnesium supports muscle contraction and relaxation, a vital part of preventing cramps and stiffness. What makes lentils even more remarkable is their affordability and accessibility. Unlike some specialty foods, lentils are easy to find in every grocery store and won't break the bank. For seniors on a budget, lentils offer an excellent way to get high-quality protein without sacrificing taste or nutrition. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever cooked with lentils? What's your favorite lentil recipe or dish? Share your tips or questions in the comments. Maybe someone else is just waiting for your advice. In the fight against sarcopenia, lentils are like a steady friend who quietly supports your muscles and overall health day after day. They might not be flashy, but their impact is powerful and lasting. Next up, we'll explore a creamy, protein-rich dairy delight that many seniors overlook, a perfect snack to keep your muscles fueled and your body strong through the night. Protein number 4. Cottage cheese. When it comes to nourishing your muscles and fighting sarcopenia after 70, sometimes the simplest foods pack the biggest punch. Enter cottage cheese, a creamy, mild, and surprisingly powerful protein source that many seniors don't give enough credit. Why cottage cheese? Because it's loaded with casein protein, the slow-digesting protein superstar that feeds your muscles over hours, especially while you're resting or sleeping. Think of cottage cheese as a nighttime muscle guardian, providing a steady stream of essential amino acids that help your body repair and rebuild damaged muscle fibers. As we age, this slow-release protein becomes even more critical. While fast-digesting proteins like those in eggs or whey shake your muscles up quickly, casein works gently and consistently, like a soft whisper reminding your muscles to stay strong. Eating cottage cheese before bed or as a mid-afternoon snack can dramatically improve muscle recovery and reduce the risk of muscle loss. But that's not all. Cottage cheese is also low in calories but rich in important minerals like calcium, which supports bone health, another crucial factor as we grow older. Strong bones and muscles work together to keep you steady on your feet and prevent falls, the hidden danger lurking behind muscle weakness. For those who worry about lactose intolerance, many people find cottage cheese easier to digest than milk because it contains less lactose. Plus, it's widely available in different fat levels, from full fat, which offers more flavor and fat-soluble vitamins, to low-fat versions, so you can choose what feels best for your body. Pairing cottage cheese with fruits like berries or sliced peaches adds natural sweetness and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, another enemy of muscle health. Or mix in some nuts and seeds for crunch and healthy fats. You can even enjoy it savory with chopped herbs, tomatoes, and a drizzle of olive oil. Here's a quick question for you. Have you tried cottage cheese as a snack or meal? How do you like to eat it? Share your favorite combos or recipes in the comments. Your ideas could be just what someone else needs. Cottage cheese is a simple, affordable, and effective tool in your muscle health toolkit. It works quietly and consistently, helping to keep you strong, steady, and independent well past 70. In the next chapter, we'll talk about a lean, delicious protein from the land. One that's packed with a muscle-boosting amino acid and perfect for easy, senior-friendly meals. Protein number 5. Lean turkey breast. When it comes to building muscle and fighting sarcopenia after 70, lean turkey breast is a shining star that often flies under the radar. This mild, tender meat isn't just tasty. It's packed with powerful proteins and nutrients that your aging muscles crave. Turkey breast is particularly rich in an essential amino acid called leucine. Remember leucine? It's the muscle-building superstar that flips the switch in your body to start repairing and growing muscle fibers. Studies show that leucine plays a crucial role in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, especially in seniors. In fact, getting enough leucine can mean the difference between preserving your strength and slowly losing it. What makes lean turkey breast so special for seniors is that it provides a large amount of leucine in a relatively low-calorie, low-fat package. That means you can get plenty of muscle-supporting nutrition without worrying about excess fat or calories, a common concern as metabolism slows with age. But there's another benefit many overlook. Turkey breast is a great source of B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, which are vital for energy production and healthy nerve function. Good nerve health means better muscle control and coordination, helping reduce falls and keep you moving confidently. For seniors, cooking turkey breast can sometimes feel intimidating. What if it's dry or tough? The key is gentle, slow cooking methods like baking with a little olive oil, braising in broth, or even slow cooking to keep the meat tender and juicy. Adding herbs like rosemary, thyme, or sage not only boosts flavor but adds antioxidants that fight inflammation, the enemy of healthy muscles. If chewing or digestion is an issue, ground turkey breast can be a softer, easier option. You can mix it with mashed vegetables or grains for a nutritious, easy-to-eat meal. Here's a question for you. Backhand index pointing right, do you currently eat turkey or other lean meats? What's your favorite way to prepare them? Share your thoughts and recipes in the comments. Your experience can help others find new, tasty ideas. Incorporating lean turkey breast into your diet is a smart way to deliver high-quality protein and essential nutrients to your muscles, helping you stay strong, independent, and full of vitality after 70. In our next chapter, we'll explore how to combine these amazing proteins into a day of meals that supercharge muscle health and energy. But for now, give lean turkey a try and feel the difference as your muscles thank you for the boost. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these proteins are you most excited to try? Have you already experienced benefits from any of them? Share your journey, your favorite recipes, or questions in the comments below. Your story could inspire someone else to take that first step toward strength. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends or family who might benefit. Together, we can build a supportive community focused on health, vitality, and joyful aging.